Screwdriver in one hole, one screwdriver in the other hole. Pop that out. Now I have some wires. Flip it. Be careful. You got a clip. Just want to pop that clip out. You want to remove the ground wire. Then you have two. Make sure you disconnect the battery first. You have two clips that need to come up. I need a flathead for this. Get you a little flathead. I got this right here. You just want to get these clips. I'll show you once I get them off. These are orange clips, yellow, whatever. Then once you get that up, these should just come out. Pry it up a little bit. A little bit of elbow grease, not too much. Okay. Okay, this off. Now, for the clock spring, you want to get this steering wheel off. First, you want to make a line, and you want to put a line in the spindle to let it know that this is straight. Let me get a okay, let's see what we got. 22. Now, let's get the steering wheel off. You just want to have a, make sure it's straight. These wires, you do have to disconnect, okay? So that, not both of them, but just this main one that goes into the clock spring. Now, we have screws right here, boom. We got some Phillips, or 10 millimeter, or 8 millimeter, whichever one you have handy. I seem to have a Phillips head handy, so I'm gonna use this without having to get up and out the car. And we have another one. Right? Is that not? Okay, so what else do I have? Oops. That's one thing you don't want to hear when somebody's working on your car is a oops. What do we have though? We gotta have another screw because I feel resistance. Yeah, I feel resistance. Yeah, we have another Phillips head on the bottom. Okay, here we go. Be gentle, but not too gentle because this is a Hyundai. Just trying to get it out from steering wheel adjuster. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it in like that for right now. I don't like wrestling with cars. Okay, we got some clips. 1, 2, right here. Okay, we have a clip up top. In the back. Now, we have clips in the bottom. Not 100% sure how to unclip these. Got one. I am replacing it, but I still want to be. Is it just a? Let me see. Okay, not enough play to get it out like that. What kind of clip is this? Why don't they just do the same clip next to each other? These cars, man. What kind of clip is this? You know what? I don't know what kind of clip this is. Strange. It's a push-in clip. You just breathe. That's the clock spring. So now that's your clock spring removal. I have to wait for the new part. There you go, Hyundai 2015 Santa Fe clock spring removal. That's the issue with this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See if I can get this installation popping. Looks the same. Okay. I don't do stuff like this every day, though. Up. Okay. Gotta be careful not to turn this. Excuse me. Oops. Sometimes you just gotta learn to leave stuff alone. Oh, gosh. Don't touch it. I'm not touching it. Okay. We got the ground connection. We have one airbag connector. Maybe if I line up the holes, I'll be good. One. Dose. Boom. Now I want to get them back inside this clip holder, wire holder, because that's how it was. I got it. Make sure everything's safe and out the way. And this just goes in like that. But first, how you gonna put that down without putting the most important part on? Goodness gracious. Oops. That's on there tight though, man. That steering wheel's not coming off. There we go. That's the horn. Okay. It's your clock spring, man. Let's make sure we turn the car on and we don't have any lights. Let's reconnect the battery. That's the battery. Let's make sure. No airbag lights. Okay. Check TPMS. That light been on. We're good though. No lights. Airbag lights. See that? We're good. Just got that TPMS light. They don't want to mess with that. But we're good. Does the horn work? Yep, we're good. Here goes your clock spring. Yay. Yay. Oh, yeah, make sure you turn the wheel if you don't get any lights either. All right, we're good, man. Boom.